Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm so glad you're here. I just received a Christmas dinnerware set from Viweet, and I cannot wait to open it and take a look. So let's see what's inside. It is packaged really well, which is very nice, very important with dinnerware. And first we have some mugs with Santa on them. How cute are these? These are beautiful. I love the design. It's on both sides. Santa is in the center of a wreath with ornaments and a red bow. These will be perfect for coffee, for hot chocolate, for tea, and they're going to look great on the kitchen counter, on your coffee bar. Beautiful. I can't wait to use these. Okay, there's another mug in there. And underneath, we have some more. Here we are. So there's some more mugs. This is a service set for 6, which is wonderful. It's a perfect size. And our plates. So here is our bread plate, our appetizer plate. It's white in the center and has a beautiful red border and a snowflake design. Aren't these pretty? Very festive. What's nice is they can also be used all winter long, not just for Christmas. And then we move on to, oh, look at these. Okay, these are just fabulous. Look at this. Here's your salad plate. Santa's in the center, surrounded by the wreath. The colors are so vivid. I love how vivid the colors are. And these plates feel really nice, beautiful porcelain. And they're going to make a beautiful salad plate for your table. I also am thinking of putting cookies for Santa on this. The kids would love this. It'd be so nice on your table. And we move on to our bowls. Wow. Look at the size of these. These are gorgeous soup bowls. Really, really nice. I think it would also be really fun as a nice cereal bowl. These are really, really nice. Again, you have your snowflake design, the red border. They're very festive. And they are going to look so good on your Christmas table or even your winter table. Now we have our dinner plates. These are gorgeous. Look how festive these are. Santa looks so jolly. I cannot wait to use these. He is in the center of the wreath, surrounded by the wreath. You have the snowflake design, and it's nice. The plate has a nice raised rim around the edge, so it will keep your food on. And it is going to look so good on my Christmas table. It will look good on your Christmas table. And whether it's a casual table that you have that fits nicely with Santa, or if you're looking for something more elegant, I think the border will make it look great also. This is a beautiful set. You have your dinner plate, your salad plate, your bread or appetizer plate, and your soup bowl. I'm so excited to use these. And your cute mugs. Thank you for joining me. Again, the dinnerware set is from Viweet, and you have a great day.